What is semantic HTML? Semantic HTML basically refers to using HTML markup that conveys meaning about the contents it contains. This enhances both the structure and accessibility for both developers and browsers in web pages. Search engines benefits. Search engines can better understand the concept when it's structured semantically, which can improve search rankings. Elements such as nav, header, footer, main, section and aside enhances search engine results with additional information. Accessibility benefits. Semantic tags assist screen readers and other assistive technologies in interpreting content correctly. This makes websites more accessible to people with disabilities. It is also important for users with mobility issues. Using semantic HTML leads to cleaner and more maintainable code, making it easier for developers to work with. An overview of benefits of semantic HTML to screen readers. Semantic HTML elements and non-semantic HTML elements. Semantic. Header. Footer. Main. Section. Nav. Aside. Article. Non-semantic. Div. Span. Functions and uses of semantic HTML elements. Header. Header represents the introductory content or navigational links for a section or the entire page. Used typically to contain logos, navigation menus, headings, and other introductory material. Nav. Nav defines a block of navigation links. Used for links to navigate between different sections or pages of a website. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Please hit the like button and subscribe to see more educative videos like this. Now let's continue. Main. Main represents the dominant content of the body that is unique to the page and directly related to its purpose. The element should only contain content that is specific to the page and not repeated across pages. Examples like navigation and footers. Article. Article defines a self-contained piece of content that could be distributed or reused independently. Examples like a blog post, news article, or user comment. Article represents independent reusable content, typically used inside main or section. Hey, at this point I'm sure you've learned quite a lot, but we're not done yet. If you've liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe and leave a comment telling us what video you'd like me to do next. Let's proceed to the remaining bits. Section. Section represents section of content that is thematically related, usually with a heading. It is used to group content that forms a distinct part of a page. I'm sorry the video turned out to be this long. Footer. Footer represents the footer or the bottom content of section or page. Typically contains copyright information, links, contact details, and related documents. Aside. Aside represents content related to the content around it. Examples are like sidebars, pull quotes, or advertisements. Thanks for coming this far. I'm leaving you with the best practice you can use a beginner in HTML. The overall best practice as a programmer is to normalize using semantic HTML rather than non-semantic HTML, as it improves user experience, enhances accessibility, and boosts search engine optimization. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.